Guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to fix that your Google Chrome is not searching by Google on your phone. So actually it's really easy to do. You just open your Google Chrome, and then by default it's supposed to be Google on the search engine, and then if you're not, click this triple dot on the right upper, and then click this settings, and then you can scroll down until you can find this search engine. You can choose the search engine by default. Of course people preferable for Google, but if you are prefer for Bing or DuckDuckGo or Yahoo and so on, you can choose whatever you want to put on your Google Chrome. And maybe if you're not if your Google Chrome is facing that not Google on by default, maybe you already find some spy software, or you've been download any unwanted software and so on. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it helpful for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.